Previously we need the academic one. But now we just need the general one, general trading IELTS. And it's a very easy.
Minimum score must.
We suggest you not to get less than 6. And since it's a general one, you can easily get 6.57, 7.5. It's an easy IELTS. General.
Regular rank should be the must be about 6. On each band, or we can get a.
At the minimum side, you need to have 6 in each band, but the better you have, it makes or it increase your chances to get the invitation from the Canadian government side.
Excuse me, what if you fail for the first time you take the IELTS? You can take it for the second time?
Yeah, you can attempt, you can,
As long as you can pass.
yeah, as much as possible you want to get the attempts for the IELTS, you can get.
I have not applied for IELTS.
It's secondary thing. We have another procedures as well, ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. For that you need to contact WES, World Education Service. It's a specific department that compares the Canadian standard of education to the foreign standard. So we will start guiding you. So these are the secondary things.
If I want to give IELTS, then it will take time.
It will take another 20-25 days depending on you, how much time you want.
How we
That also you want.
Yeah, means we are associated with IDP. If you want us to book your slot, we can book on behalf of you.
You want to give training for IELTS?
Sorry.
To give training for IELTS?
We are associated with some of the institutes only. This is not a IELTS center. Yeah.
This is only for express entry.
Yeah, this
Do you
is.
have any other programs, skilled workers program?
Yeah, sure. We are providing our services for Portugal, Cyprus, Dominica, Australia, New Zealand, St. Kitts. But this seminar belongs to Canada only.
Yeah, I mean for express entry.
Yeah.
Express entry for the age between 18 and 40.
18 to 44.
But for the skilled workers, they have other programs.
Skilled program, that for federal skilled workers program has been closed down. Now we have this fresh program, express entry program. Previously we have a list of skilled workers. Now we don't have any list. It's an open job category program.
Only immigration in Canada or also job agencies?
We don't sell work permits. It's an immigration company. Yeah.
So this is specific for any big city for city.
Express entry is accessible for the whole Canada, for the whole provinces.
Okay. So what is the duration if you can start processing that
Yeah.
tomorrow?
Okay.
Then how
So
much time
once
will it
you start the deal with us, in the 24 hours, you will get a welcome mail from our organization and you will get a checklist, the necessary documents which we require to launch your profile under Express Entry.
take? Okay.
Once we launch your profile under Express Entry, it will take another 6 to 9 months to get the response from the Canadian government side.
Okay. Now, what you people basically helping to the people, we cannot do from our side,
Yeah.
we can do, right? So what your assistance in our
Yeah,
process?
actually, previously I met a lot of clients
Okay,
who launched their profile by their own.
okay,
Some of them didn't get the response from more than 2 years or 1.5 years.
okay.
Some of them got banned for 8 years. Because it's a typical procedure, sophisticated procedure, and we are very much specialized. We are here from the last 27 to 28 years in the international immigration
Okay.
industry. We have a very defined and proper team for different processing teams of the different immigration department for different countries. We are not doing only Canada.
Mhm. Okay.
That's why we are
So
professionals.
procedure is, we will have to fill up these forms and we will submit it here, right? And then you people will call us.
We will do all the things today only.
What do you mean by all the things?
If you want to sign up the deal with us, I will analyze your profile. That's why you filled your assessment form. Then after, if you want to start your deal, you can avail the discount, the seminar discount today only. If you want to meet me tomorrow, you can. You have to go with the regular price only.
Regular price.
Regular fee structure.
What is that?
That is starting from 12,000. Today, this 12,000 is only. It's just for 10,000. Then 11,000. It's just for 9,000. 10,000. It's just for 8,000. And 8,000. It's just for 6,000.
So today,
So in every mode of payment, we are giving 2,000 dirhams discount.
if today we will do, we will get to 2,000 dirham discount.
Absolutely. That's why this is 700.
Otherwise we can do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, anytime. We can.
But you need to come with the regular price, and you need to pay the consultation fees of 500 dirhams.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what we are offering, a good amount of discount. And
But you are not giving us the time to think about it. We are not giving the time to.
yeah, sure, I can do that.
Yeah.
If you want to interact with your family members or your wife or something like that, you can just pay 500 as a reservation fees. Then after, if you come down to me after 3 days, 7 days, or let's say at the maximum side 10 days, I can give you the same discount what I am offering today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because till now, I don't think so anybody know that which criteria we people lie on it. You know.
I think you come late.
Okay.
The criteria are like that. You have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44, sir. Then
45.
44. We are very much transparent. However, some of the province is taking below 50, but your chances are low.
Okay, that's it. I'm sorry to take
Yes, sir. Yes,
the
sir.
time. My age is going to be, I think, 44, 1972, August.
Okay.
August 1972.
So you are having the chance, because you know the age bracket is 18 to 44, and some of the province is providing.
I am on 3 months.
I told you some of the province is providing preference to below 50.
Okay, but I cannot be in that category under 44, right?
Yeah, sure.
I cannot be now?
No.
Okay. So other thing is,
You will get less
can
points
I
in
do-
terms of
can
your
I do
age.
it on the behalf of my wife?
Yeah, that our processing team will analyze. Maybe ma'am will have a less age, a
Yes.
good amount of education or good experience. So we will make ma'am as a principal applicant, and you will be a second applicant.
Yes,
Yeah.
that can be.
And that is and you can support or you can provide the backup to the principal applicant by sitting in the examination of IELTS and by doing ECAs. I told you the educational credential assessment by West World Education Service.
Okay.
So we have lot of things to discuss.
Because I think that can be applicable.
Yeah, I have done this case with several of my clients actually.
So means 8 years, 10 years can be acceptable?
Sorry.
No, my wife, she has experience 8 to 10 years as a teaching
Yeah, so
experience.
I told you, starting from the PH job experience, we just need 1 year, starting from 1 year.
Okay.
The higher you have, it makes your profile superior
So
and defined.
teaching profession is there.
Yeah, it's an open job category program. We don't have a skilled workers list.
Okay.
Because
what is the
that
possibility for this one? How much time it will take?
Previously that skilled workers list created a huge amount of backlogs.
Okay.
So now they want to fill up that backlogs.
How much time it will,
It will
Why?
take, means we have a very huge quota, 305,000. That's why.
no, means how much time it will take? 1 year, 2 years, how much time?
This express entry program, maybe
Yeah.
they will close after 6 months or 5 months, depending upon the immigration department of Canada.
Close, okay, but if we will apply, means
Now,
after
how
1
come
week,
see-
then how much time?
Once we launch your profile,
Okay.
you will be in the express entry only.
Okay, then
Yeah.
when we will be, means,
If we launch your profile
He's asking
in
about
express
the-
entry,
uh-huh.
if they, suppose if they close down the program, but you will be considered into express entry only.
No, okay.
No, he's asking
But when we will
How-
travel.
how long
then
he will be
we
at Greece?
accept-
Sorry, one by one.
He's asking
One
about
by one, yeah.
when he can get the PR, when he will be PR.
PR, yeah.
Yeah,
Once we give you the checklist in the 24 hours, once you sign up the deal with us, the necessary documents which we require, once we have all the things, we launch your profile.
okay.
So after launching your profile, it will take another 6 to 9 months only to get the response from the Canadian government side.
6 to 9
6
months,
to 9.
you will get the response only.
Actually, I think you are not aware from the programs. Previously, we had different programs. They takes around 2 to 3 years.
Okay.
This is the first time in history we are getting the response in just 6 to 9 months.
So this response will be what? That you will get a PR number or it-
This response in terms of, it will be in terms of invitation
Okay.
or the rejection.
Within 9 months you will know that whether
Yeah.
your case is accepted or not.
So if you get the rejection, suppose on the rear side,
Okay.
we will analyze. We have a contract of 1 year. Okay, we will analyze where you are lacking. Okay, we will guide you that you are lacking in this thing. Then after we can relaunch your profile.
So
We
this
cannot
fee-
leave you.
This fee which we will pay now,
Yeah,
10,000 or 12,000, whatever it is,
Yeah.
this is for 1 year contract.
yeah.
So it means if your case is rejected, then
We
after
cannot. We will not leave you. We will analyze where you are lacking.
No, no.
Okay, so next year it means you will relaunch our program.
Within a year only, sir.
Within-
Within a year. So, yeah.
Say for we are come from Bangladesh.
Okay.
If we 6 month process visa okay, Canada embassy here I can face or me go Bangladesh.
So I didn't get him.
Embassy face. If everything okay, me go Abu Dhabi to Canada or me back my country Bangladesh.
So if he selected, he can move from Abu Dhabi or he need to go back.
Embassy.
Once you get the invitation.
Yeah, or everything okay. Then
Yeah,
the job
okay.
here only 2 years.
Okay.
2 years visa. My
As-
visa is after 1 year, 6
If
months.
you sign up the deal with us, let's say if you want to go to your home country after 1 or 2 months, you want to leave the job from Dubai. Okay. As long as you have internet, we will be here to coordinate with you. Our 45% of clients stay out of UAE only. Next month I am going to Hong Kong and Singapore.
Okay, if after 6 months I get visa but me not here, me back my country, no problem.
Okay.
Me face Abu Dhabi also back my country, no problem. Me go.
Yeah. Why not, sir?
Embassy.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have
More questions?
Do you have office in Bombay?
Sorry.
Do you have office in Bombay?
Mumbai? No, actually, next month I am going Mumbai for the seminar.
You don't have
We
any,
do seminars.
you don't have any office?
No, we don't have any office in Mumbai, in India.
Any office Bangladesh?
No,
Even any office in Bangladesh?
no sir. We have a branch in Saint Kitts. We have a branch in Saint Kitts. It's a country, Saint Kitts.
Okay, but you are saying if you leave from here after
Yeah.
starting process with you, but from India also you can continue.
I told you, as long as you have internet, I am here. Our company is here to guide you. Our 45% of clients stays out of UAE only.
So anything that medical everything we have to go to embassy in India, Canadian embassy of India.
For the
If there is medical thing, which are
for the man. Once you get the invitation, means let's say, please be attentive for a while, ma'am. Once you get the invitation, let's say after 6 months or 7 months, after that within 45 days you need to submit your medical report and police clearance to obtain your permanent residence visa. That's a general thing.
okay, that also you will assist.
Yeah, we are here to assist you in everything. Yeah.
If that is in India, then
No. You just to be done by UAE only.
So
For the police clearance, you just need to visit to the Indian embassy in UAE only.
but
Don't need to go to the country.
Then if I am not in UAE, if I am in India, then
Okay. So we just need the scan copy. Yeah.
may have to do my
All are
second.
Yeah. You just go to the police department of India, from where you belong. Just take the police clearance and just send it to us.
when you have next seminar in Abu Dhabi?
From 34 years, my age 35. So from there I will join police force.
You are from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Yeah. You just need to go to the embassy of Pakistan in UAE.
I'm not going there. I'm here in UAE.
That's what I'm saying. You just need to visit your embassy.
From Abu Dhabi police command.
No.
When you
For
have
Abu Dhabi police, yeah. From where you are currently working, we need the police clearance from that country as well.
UAE.
no, you will have to from there.
Yeah.
No need, no problem. So when you have the next seminar here in Abu Dhabi?
By sir.
No, just I'm asking for some information.
Maybe next seminar will be for Portugal, Cyprus. Don't know. We do seminars for different countries. We are not doing Canada only.
Okay.
Yeah. More questions?
Suppose if I am paying now, like
Sorry?
signing up today,
Okay,
so next month the Canadian government is saying that express entry is stopped.
okay.
So
No, it will not stop. We have a very good, huge quota.
no, means like as you said, like anytime they can rules. can
Once
be-
we make your profile under express entry, you will be considered in express entry
No,
only.
that will take 9 months. No, within 9 months will be.
We will start making your partial profile. We will start making your partial profile under express entry.
Okay.
In the 24 hours, you will get the welcome mail and the checklist. We will start coordinating with you step by step, our processing team.
Okay, so next one if they are saying that rules are changed.
Don't worry, you will be in express entry.
This
That
quota
is,
means,
this program has not been going to close down. We have a very good, very huge quota.
this quota means what? This is specific
Quota
to
means-
you or what it is?
Quota means, let's say how many immigrants any particular country is inviting.
Okay, this is
That
country to
says
country,
quota.
right? Country to country.
Yeah,
They are giving this quota country to country.
maybe some country is open with a quota of 25,000, 50,000. Previously, in Canada only, we have a quota of only 50,000.
Okay.
That's why I keep on saying that the immigration goes harder and harder as time goes ahead.
No, this quota, you are telling me 3,500?
305,000.
305,000.
Yeah.
This is for which country you are talking about?
This is for Canada only. This seminar is for Canada only.
No. Okay. No, I am saying they
Any
give this
country-
quota in
any
specific
country-
country.
Any country people are
This is all
This
over
is
the world.
for the whole Canada.
No, for
Whole
all
world.
countries.
Any country.
Sorry, why you are getting confused? This quota is for Canada.
Okay, but any country
He
applies
said
any
specific
country.
one.
For all the world.
If any of the country, maybe they came up with 25,000, 50,000, depending upon the country only, no sir?
No, I am asking that they gave any quota to the UAE, India,
No,
Pakistan,
okay,
like that.
okay.
I'm on
No,
that
no,
perspective
no.
again asking.
It is a quota for the different, for the whole,
World.
for the whole world.
Okay. What is the percentage?
They are not specified that we need the Pakistanis this much, we need
Yes,
Indians,
yeah.
we need Bangladeshis, we need Nepalis, not like that.
Mhm.
This is the quota for the whole world.
Okay.
Yeah, I am from Nepal, and whatever the difference of applying existing from here in Nepal. So is there any differences?
It gives a very good impact if you launch your profile from UAE,
Because the cost is
because
cheaper.
you know they think that the employee or the applicant is working in UAE, so the applicant will be more disciplined, more professional,
Let's say somebody
and you will
applies
get
tomorrow.
extra points for having an international experience.
Yeah. Let's say someone apply from here tomorrow, and after 3 months he will have to go back to the country.
No worries, you have an experience of UAE. No?
That is the count.
Yeah.
Visa doesn't
That is
matter.
counted.
Okay.
And one thing, my wife she's a nurse. She has 5 years experience.
Okay.
And I have also 3 years.
I have a lot of clients who are having nursing
Which is the
degrees.
better way to apply for through my wife or through me? So is it
What is your degree?
masters in investment leadership studies?
So you both are eligible, but our processing team will guide who will be a better principal applicant.
Sir, I came to know that there is now they have changed it a bit, that you will have to submit first your degrees with a sealed document.
It's a procedure for ECA. I told you, Educational Credential Assessment.
Okay.
For that we have a specific department known as World Education Service.
Okay.
They compare the Canadian standard of education to the foreign standard. For that, first of all, you need to go to the World Education Service website for the procedure if you want to be done by your side. Okay, you will get the reference number. Then after you need to contact your prospective university. They will provide you attested mark sheets in a sealed envelope. Then after you need to submit to the World Education Service. Later on, in just 2 to 3 weeks, they will provide the comparison. If you want to be done this thing by our company side, we are also having a very good team for this World Education Service.
So that fee is included in
That's
this.
No, it is different.
So it means first of all.
It is
It
1,900.
means first of all we will do that.
No, it's.
And then we will
I
not
told
do-
you these are the secondary things. If you want to be done by your ECA, okay. After that your IELTS. You think that that this express entry program will wait for you, the immigration or the quota will wait for you, or you can avail this 2000 dirhams discount to later on? No, sir.
So
if
that's
we,
the will make.
if we do IELTS, so we don't need to do from the ECA, right? We don't need ECA.
Both are mandatory, sir.
Both are
Your
mandatory.
IELTS and your ECA.
If
Our processing team will start coordinating with you.
So what will be the entire cost including this IELTS and
IELTS, if you want to be book your slot for the IELTS exam through our company side, we are charging 1,200. You can do by yourself. We have lot of institutes in UAE. You can start it by your own self. Yeah.
if after 6 months we got visa, my wife that time or later she come.
You are married now. Your application will be considered as a means as a family application.
Oh, this is a
Yeah.
So the family application almost same cost?
Yeah, same course. This is the benefit of marriage.
so what will be the total fee?
And you can means whosoever will be a principal applicant, but the second applicant will provide some additional points by sitting in the examination of IELTS or by doing ECA.
So both,
That will guide.
both have to do, appear for the IELTS, right?
For the principal applicant, it is mandatory, and for the second applicant, it is highly recommended.
So if the second applicant also passed that one, so the
You will give
extra
additional
points.
points.
Before 10 years, my country one seminar attended. Here is minimum 65 point must.
That is into the previous program. It created a huge backlog. Now we don't.
If
We
you
have
manage
still
5 number, if you IELTS 25 number.
still we have a ranking system, a point system, but now we
Now
have
we-
criteria. If you are fulfilling those criteria, you can start your application.
Then here no any binding.
It's a very flexible program.
very flexible. No any point.
Points are there, sir.
Not required. So it
But
depends.
once we launch your profile later on, they will provide you the points. We will keep you posted. So more questions?
But previous year is minimum graduation. For your 14, 16 years back.
That's why I told you this program is
Now
very
you are
flexible.
Very flexible. Only A level, or HSC.
Starting from high school, the better you have, it makes your profile superior.
Excuse me. Just in case I sign this agreement, what will be the next step for my people?
The next step is you need to sign the retainer agreement which is between the company and you, and that will be signed by the owner of the company, Catherine McDonald. She is Canadian also. And in the 24 hours after that, you will get the welcome mail and the checklist, the documents which we require to launch your profile.
Okay, that will cost an additional payment again?
No, you need to opt any of the payment today. Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from this, what will be the next cost, like immigration charges for this?
Yeah, after a certain period of time, once we launch your profile, so inshallah means if you get the invitation, then after you need to pay the Canadian government fees. Okay? Yeah, I tell you. So previously we have this federal skilled workers program in which we need to pay the Canadian government fees once you are willing to start your application. But now you need to pay these Canadian government fees once you get the invitation.
After everything else.
Yeah, so this is the benefit of this express entry. For the single applicant, the application fees is 2,500, and once you fly to Canada, they will stamp your visa. So for the single applicant, they are charging 3,500. Okay. For the married
This
visa,
one Canadian dollar.
sorry.
It's 3,500 for the single entry.
Yeah, for the single people means who are not married.
There are
500 dirhams or what?
There must
2,500 as the application fees and 3,500 for stamping your visa. So in total, we have around 5,000 to 6,000 approx.
that one Canadian dollar or
There
dirhams.
was a currency.
Dirhams, yeah, dirhams.
Yeah,
Yeah.
For the family application,
I told you the family one. Yeah.
3,000.
Yeah. No, sorry, this is for the single one. Now I will tell you about the married one. So for the married, we have a package for the application fees. This is 5,000, and once you fly to Canada, they will stamp the whole family visa, and they have a package for the married people that will cost you around 5,500.
No.
Sir, one more thing, if someone,
But this government fees you need to pay once you get the invitation. Okay? Previously you need to pay the government fees once you want to start your application.
that if someone visited Canada,
Okay.
just only for visit, and then he came back, and then he applied for invitation for this one, so is there any impact on it?
No. You are means you visited Canada as a tourist.
Yes,
Doesn't matter.
and you came back and then you
It,
applied for.
it doesn't matter. The matter is if you have a experience in Canada, if you worked in any of the Canadian company previously, you studied in Canada, you know French. So these are some other skills. If you have some of those skills,
Just as a tourist, if you go there.
no, it will not give you anything.
Yeah. But it's not a negative impact on it.
No, no. Why?
So how long time it will take after the invitation?
After the invitation.
Invitation, like suppose we got a
Once you get the invitation, okay,
Yeah.
then after within 45 days, you need to submit your medical report and the police clearance, so that we can obtain your permanent resident visa.
Once you have PR, there's a certain months that you need to fly going to Canada.
Yeah, the Canadian government is giving you a very good amount to fly to Canada. If you suppose if you get the permanent residence visa today, you don't need to fly tomorrow or day after tomorrow or within 1 month or 2 months. They are giving you 1 year of time. Yeah, that's why I keep on saying that this program is very fabulous. We don't have any flexibilities previously.
Will it affect if you're having some relative national?
If you have first blood relation in Manitoba, so that Manitoba province can provide you the nomination.
What about Saskatchewan?
No. For Saskatchewan and for other provinces, we just need the express entry profile. More questions?
If I open my profile with NAS, I can
Yeah.
access my profile.
Actually, we have only one account and we have lakhs of clients, so we cannot give the access.
You can provide me username and password.
Why? It's a
Maybe
company thing.
If I have documents, I can
Sorry,
directly
sir.
download.
Sorry. No, means not this NAS. If you go to any of the immigration company, they will not provide you the details of their accounts.
But I just went to the website for I did my homework. I came to know that Manitoba and Saskatchewan they have some different policy because they can be having.
The Manitoba just have a policy that if you have a first blood relation, they can provide you the nomination.
And for Saskatchewan,
We just need the express entry profile.
okay.
More questions? So the people who want to start the application and have